Hello everyone, this is class 7th math exercise 6a and the last question of the exercise that is in your syllabus is question number 15. So let's start with this question. Question is 3 persons start a business and spend rupees this and this respectively. Means 3 person has started a business by investing this much money. Person A has he has invested 25,000. Person B has invested 15,000. Person C has invested 40,000 rupees. Find the share of each out of a profit of rupees 14,400 in a year. Means after doing the investment they got the profit, because in a business when we invest the money we got the profit now. So they got total this much of profit. So we have to share this profit, that how much a single person has got. They will get the profit as they have as per the investment na. If this person has done less investment, it means it will get less profit. This has done more, it will get more in profit than this one. And the 40,000 is the greatest investment out of these three, so the third person will get more profit. So let's see how to do. Investment of A is this, investment of B is this, investment of C is this. And the profit, let's write profit also. Profit is rupees 14,400. To find the profit of each person, we need to find the ratio first. We will find its ratio first. So write them in the ratio. Ratio is equals to how to find ratio of all the three numbers. Firstly, find what is common out of this. If I am not wrong, then at least 1000 is common here. So whatever is common, you can divide it with that number. We can divide it with 1000 at least. Rest we will check. 3 zeros will be cancelled. Next 3 again will be cancelled. Next 3 again will be cancelled. And after that you will get 25 ratio 15 ratio 40. Now again there is something common between all the three numbers. What is that? Yes, that is 5. All the 3 comes in the table of 5 now. So we can divide it with common number. Now let's cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. And we will get 5 ratio 3 ratio 8. Now nothing is common between these three numbers. So this is the ratio. Sum of ratio, or you can say ratios. 5 plus 3 plus 8, that is 16. Now we will proceed the question in the same way as we have done in the previous. We will find profit of A, or you can write share of A, because he has written share now. Share of A, that will be, this is the ratio of person A, this is person B, and this is the part of person C. So for A we will write 5 over sum of ratios into total profit 14,400 rupees. 16 ones are 16, 16 nines are 144, and these two zeros will come afterwards, and after multiplying you will get 9 fives are 45, and the two zeros that will remain with itself, right? 4,500 rupees. In the same way, share of B, that will be part of B, is 3 over total ratio into total profit. Again you will get 900, you will get rupees 2,700. Share of C, part of C is 8 over total ratio into, yes, 9 8s are 72 So 2 zeros will come afterward. So you will get 7200. Right? Here you can see beta, person C was having the most investment. So that's why this person got maximum profit. Person A has invested 25,000, which is greater than B. So he got profit greater than person B. B was having least investment, so he got least profit. Right? So in this way we can find, yeah, with this our as per our syllabus we have done all the 15 questions. So that's all. Thank you.